Hi everyone, I hope everyone is having a great week. This is your social studies lesson, and this week we are going to be focusing on climate zones and the Americas again. This lesson is going to be more about your own research and doing your own thing or a thing of your choice. Um, Using the knowledge that you've been acquiring for a couple of weeks now in geography, and also using the vocabulary that we've learned, such as hemisphere, tropics, latitude, longitude, you know it. Um, right, so let me open the presentation on my computer. Right, so here we go. So in this lesson, we are going to be exploring places in particular in North America. Right, the lesson objective is that you identify the climate and physical and human geographical features of my chosen or your chosen area in North America. So you will be able to explain the difference between human geography and physical geography. I do hope that many of you already are able to do that. We've learned it a couple of times in social studies and UAE social studies. You will be able to research a place of your choice and find out about its geography or geography features. And you will be able to present the information you found in creative ways. That means you will be able to create something nice, either a poster or, well, hopefully a poster, but make it creative, present your information in the best way you can and the most creative way. All right, guys, what are physical human geography features? I do hope you remember this information from social studies lessons. Human physical geography features, okay, as it says on the PowerPoint, physical geography relates to the natural features of a place or environment, okay? Whereas human geography relates to the features of environment that have been made by humans or shaped by people, okay? So this is doing a little bit of linking, okay, trying to think of the information that I learned before um, in social studies, maybe in half term one, and also in UAE social studies. All right, actually, I forgot to click on this. We have a list with each. So physical features: oceans, coastlines, rivers, lakes, mountains, volcanoes, plants, animals, and landform. Whereas human geography features are a country, okay, so basically features made by humans. Country, boundaries, buildings, roads, changes to river courses. So basically humans can actually, so if a river is flowing in a certain direction, actually humans are known to be able to build dams or divert the river stream. So this is also a human feature. Land use, language, science, anything that is created by humans basically in our environment. Okay, now your task, guys. Your task will be to choose a city in North America. Okay, guys, not a country, not a state. It must be a specific city. Okay, and North America, not South America. So choose a city you would like to visit. Okay, and then make an information sheet about it. What I'm going to leave it up to you how you present your geography data on your information sheet. However, there are specific things that I would and other teachers would expect you to mention or feature on your information sheets, such as you will need to mention what country it is in, what hemisphere, northern or southern, which climate zone it's in. You can look that up on Google, or you can use that information PDF on climate zones that will be attached with this lesson. You can mention weather, such as what kind of weather this city has in the summer, in the winter, spring, fall. What are the average temperatures in the winter, summer, whatever you choose. You can mention some physical geography features or human geography features. You can mention latitude and longitude coordinates. You know that every single city or place on this planet has its coordinates for latitude and longitude, so we can look that up. So, the size of population, what language they speak, and what religion, okay? But please mainly focus on the geography features, okay? As I said, it's up to you how you design it. It's up to you what information exactly you'd like to mention on your information sheet. That is entirely up to you. Just make it interesting, be creative, okay, and present the city in the way you'd like um, on your information sheet. Um, yeah. Why are we doing this? We are doing this because, and I would like you to actually choose a city you would actually like to travel to. Why is it important to be able to know this? First of all, you will be doing a lot of research in the future at school, so this is going to help you with research skills, developing research skills. It's an opportunity for you. And at the same time, you can choose a city you would like to visit in the future, so you would be actually prepared for the weather. Okay, great. You can use internet books to find your information. You can design your information sheet in whatever way you want, as I said. Please upload a picture on Class Dojo. Right, you may be wondering what ACPs we used in this lesson in order to be able to complete this task and be successful. So there's actually three. I'd say we would have to do some strategy planning, also thinking about the vocabulary that I know from previous lessons and geography features that I learned about in previous lessons that I would like to use for my information sheet that would help me in my information sheet. But also complex and multi-step problem solving. You are going to go step by step and you are going to break this task down into um, simple steps so you would be able to come up with a nice information sheet. And of course, it's creating originality. Please be original, create something new. Don't try to do your best and don't try to copy anyone's work. Be yourself. All right, if you have time at the end, of course, print this out and reflect on your learning. And that's it from me. I'm very much looking forward to seeing everyone's work. See you next week.